Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can make an view in our iOS app curved. For example, here in this view in the blue color I want to make it curved, so we have to change the corner radius for that. So what I will do, you may add a new view and select that view that you added and go to here, this option. It should be the show the identity inspector, and in this section use define runtime attributes, click plus, and you have to type layer dot corner radius. Okay, I will include this in the video description, and select the type to number, and you can provide the corner radius, for example 10. Now the current view is like that, and I'm going to run. Okay, now you can see it is curved. For example, we can change this to 20 and see the changes. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.